So in this video, now after being able to redirect to the chat, for example here, it's showing here messages just as we have put in our chat main here. And before we proceed, I've noticed one thing here, we're not being highlighted once we're on this page. So real quick, let's go to our sidebar. And in here, the same way we did here, or we can simply copy this, then go to our messages down here, and then add this right there. Now this should highlight when we redirect to our conversation like that. Awesome. Now we can proceed. So for this, we're gonna design this messages, the header, the footer, but in order to move fast, because we don't want to spend another 30 minutes just designing the whole chat system, as in the UI. So I've created a template for you guys, which we're gonna pick up from there and proceed to making it dynamic later. So for this video, we're only gonna add, or rather download, the chat, the component that I've already designed for us, and it's available in the resources. So for me, I've already downloaded this here, the chat. So before we work on this, let's go ahead and actually create our chat component. So here, let's go back. In here, let's type PHP artisan make livewire chat.chat. Click enter. Right, after creating this, now let's go to our main. In here, let's now, the same way we imported this one, just copy this on top and paste it there. Remove these messages. Here it's gonna be chat. So it's livewire chat.chat / close that. Right, after doing that, now you can go to our chat in our blade file here, livewire chat. In here, since we downloaded the file for us to start off from, you can just go ahead and simply open that. Well, let me close this terminal. Let's copy this, go back to our chat in our project, paste that. Now this code is simply, here the header, you have the messages right here, messages for the user and the other user. And let me show you this visually, but for that, just go to our node and close the server and restart it. Run npm run dev again. Right now, if you go and refresh, right now the server is refreshing. Awesome. Now you see we have a chat system here, which is showing messages from the other user and my messages and a good input field here. So I created this just so we can get started. Otherwise, it's very easy to design, but takes a little bit of time. So make sure you download this and add it to our project, and make sure you restart the node, or rather the Vite server, because it might not pick up the updates added from here in the main. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Here you see, if you resize the page, it's gonna let us here because we are on the chat page, or rather the conversation page. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.